Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on DEGEN, one of my favorite altcoins that are built on Base. This is going to be just an update on the previous video that I posted a few weeks ago. So if you want to find my price prediction for DEGEN for 2025, make sure that you watch my other video. Before we begin, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a free link in the description below. It's a no-brainer, guys. We have been killing it in the group. Look at this. I gave you DEGEN. I stated, watch for a breakout. There was a beautiful rounded bottom pattern going on. If you are in the group already, you know the motto, rounded bottoms pay the bills. Just a few hours after I posted it in the group, massive explosive move to the upside, 317% up. It's not going to be free forever, guys, so make sure that you join as soon as possible. Also, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, DEGEN is ranked 325. The price is at 0.015, 3.55% up for the day, and the market cap is currently sitting right above 217 million. So there is a lot of potential upside. This is the chart. We are looking at DEGEN over USDT daily chart on MEXC. As you see here, DEGEN was created back in March of 2024, so it hasn't experienced another bull run before. And these are the tokens that we want to be in, guys. Nobody knows how high this token is going to run during this upcoming bull run of 2025. These tokens that currently experience their first bull run have unlimited potential. Also, on top of that, DEGEN is a meme coin that's built on Base, Coinbase's ecosystem, guys. And Coinbase has positioned itself in such a way that it's going to capture a huge amount of the total liquidity that is about to flow into the crypto space in the coming months. Look at this chart here. This is the TVL, the total value locked on Base. Back in August of 2023, the TVL was below 200 million. Today, the TVL has surpassed 4.1 billion. So Base as an ecosystem has experienced massive growth, and it's going to continue. It's not done yet. That's why I am really bullish on altcoins that are built on Base, and DEGEN is one of them. When I gave you the first setup, we were looking at the same chart as this one here. This is the regular chart, but today I want to focus on the log scale chart. This is the logarithmic chart. If you right click on the price bar, you can change the chart from regular to logarithmic. Just click on this, boom, it's ready. So this is the log scale chart. It looks a little bit different. I see a lot of confluence here, so I wanted to share this idea with you. As you see, I have a few horizontal levels on the chart that you need to pay attention to. The most important range for now is this one here, this green rectangle, ranging between 0.013 and 0.014. If we go back to this regular chart, we see that recently on March, April of 2024, DEGEN put an all-time high all the way up to 0.064. People took profits, price action pulled back, and we started consolidating all the way down here. This is basically the accumulation phase. That was the best buying opportunity when it comes to DEGEN. So we had been moving inside this accumulation zone for a while. But if you missed this, it's okay because we are still early. Recently, on November of 2024, DEGEN experienced a very nice pump. This one here that I shared with you on my Telegram group. Price action came all the way up here at 0.038. People took profits, and thankfully, it pulled back again. So what we see here is a breakout above the accumulation zone and a retest, possibly turning that previous upper level of this accumulation zone from a previous resistance into a new support. And that's really bullish. Let me change back to the logarithmic chart so I can show you. So for now, as I told you earlier, the most important level to look up is this one right here, around 0.015. It looks like we had a breakout and currently retesting this level, turning a previous key level of resistance that we got rejected here and here, for example, into new support. So we want to see a bounce here. A bounce on this level is going to be a really bullish sign. So watch for a bounce somewhere around this range between, what is this? 0.013 87 and 0.015. But also there is another trend line that looks very important to me. And this trend line is this yellow trend line that I just draw here on the chart. Look at this. This ascending yellow trend line has been acting as support for the past few months. As you see, we had a nice bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce, another bounce, two of them, one after the other. And we are currently testing this again. We have been respecting this yellow trend line for the past couple of months. So it's very possible that we are going to bounce on this again. If we bounce on this, I have a few levels here on the chart that you should be paying attention. The first level that we should be looking at if the price action starts moving to the upside is this level right here that's located at 0.02041. As you see, we had a few rejections here in the past. So we might get rejected if the price action creeps up all the way up here again. But in my view, this is going to be temporary because I expect DEGEN to pull massive explosive moves during this upcoming bull run. So eventually, I really believe that the price action is going to break above this level, sooner or later. Also, look at this. Another trend line that I see here on the chart, real quick, is this. This is the upper descending trend line of this triangle. So for those of you who like to trade short term, the breakout above this triangle pattern is going to lead to a very nice move to the upside. Just like we saw here. Look at this. This was another triangle. Look at this. Breakout, and again, consolidation. We might see another breakout. Moving all the way up here to the next target that I have here on the chart. That's located at 0.03217. From the current price levels to this target, that's a 113% move, guys. So we can double our money and make even more than that if we catch this bounce here. Next target that I have for you is located at 0.06695. The measured move from the current price level to this target, that's a 347% move. Over a 3x, guys. Amazing move. So watch for a bounce here, guys. As you see, we have a lot of confluence. It's very possible that we are going to see a bounce here and a breakout above this triangle pattern. Because we have this range that acts as support for now. And also, we have this ascending yellow trend line. Let me change it to green so you can see it better. We also have this ascending green trend line that has been acting as support. We have been respecting this here, here, here at the tip of this triangle pattern. Another triangle pattern that we are trying to bounce on right now. So there is a lot of confluence. Watch for a bounce. If the price action breaks below this green ascending red trend line that has been acting as support, we might see something like this, maybe a retest, continuation, move to the upside. If you decide to trade this in a more aggressive manner and you want to buy before the breakout of this triangle pattern, make sure that you set up a stop loss below this green ascending trend line that has been acting as support, just in case the price action breaks below. So you can exit your position. There is no reason for you to hold downtrends. If the price action breaks below this, expect more downside. There is no reason to hold downtrends, guys. We can just exit our position, and then whenever the price action consolidates again or creates a new pattern, we can get back in. For now, the idea that I want to focus on is a bounce on this ascending green trend line that has been acting as support, which is also a bounce on this key range of support ranging between 0.014 and 0.015. Trying to front run the breakout above this triangle pattern. This triangle pattern is a bullish continuation pattern, so it has a very high chance of breaking to the upside. However, for those of you who want to trade this in a more safe manner, I suggest that you should wait to buy the breakout of this triangle pattern. Buy the breakout, scale in on the retest, wait for a continuation move to the upside to hit one of the targets that I have here on the chart. And remember, this is the log scale chart. That's all I had for you today. Remember, if you want to find my price prediction or more info on DEGEN, make sure that you watch my other video that I posted recently on YouTube. Also, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button and hit the bell icon so you receive notifications when I post updates on these setups, where I talk about new ideas that I see on the chart. Let me know in the comments below, what is your price prediction for DEGEN for 2025? Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Trade carefully.